नमस्कार। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि SNN ओलंपिक्स 2024 2.0 की शुरुआत होने वाली है। It is going to start from 27th of April and is going to end on 2nd of June. This is a sports event which is organized after every 2 years in SNN. We'll be having participants from all across India and beyond who are residing in SNN, and they'll be participating in this fun-filled sports event where we have 14 different categories of games and sports where each participant will be competing against other participant and will be trying to make a victory in their event, guys. As we all know, anything that has to start with an opening ceremony, and we would like to invite you for the opening ceremony which is going to happen on 27th of April from 5:30 p.m. onwards in the Lotus and Lily Hall. So please grace our opening ceremony by your presence and make this event a great success. So now let us go and see what are the sequence of events that are going to happen for the opening ceremony, and then we'll try to wrap up it soon. Since this is the SNN Olympics, so we are definitely going to have an Olympic torch being held by Mr. Praveen. After that, we are going to have an introduction of Olympics by our charismatic anchors. After that, we are going to have national anthem. As the national anthem fills the air at the opening ceremony, hearts swell with pride, echoing the spirit of unity and patriotism. Its melody ignites a sense of belonging, reminding all of the shared values and aspirations that transcend the boundaries of sport. After that, we are going to have SPOC introduction. As we all know, the dedicated point of contacts and volunteers at the SNN Sports Olympic 2.0 embodies the spirit of service, ensuring smooth coordination and support of every event. Their enthusiasm and commitment creates a welcoming atmosphere, guiding participants and spectators alike through the excitement of each competition. Next, we have introduction of our key sponsors. In key sponsors, we have 3 key sponsors. One is Green Trend. दोस्तों, अगर आपको सुंदर और स्मार्ट देखना हो तो ग्रीन ट्रेंड से बढ़कर कुछ भी नहीं. Then we have our second key sponsor as Kelvin Scale. दोस्तों, इतनी गर्मी में अगर आपको आइसक्रीम खाने का मन करे तो सिर्फ आपको जाना है केल्विन स्केल के पास, और उनके पास बहुत ही वैरायटीज ऑफ आइसक्रीम है जिसका आप स्वाद और मजा ले सकते हैं. देन वी हैव पिज्जा. हम सबको पसंद है दोस्तों, सो वी हैव ब्रॉट आवर थर्ड की स्पॉन्सर एज पिज्जा हट. सो लेट्स गो टू पिज्जा हट और ऑर्डर राइट फ्रॉम आवर मोबाइल और लैपटॉप्स टू हैव एन अमेजिंग पिज्जा फ्रॉम पिज्जा हट दोस्तों. सो दीज वर आवर की स्पॉन्सर्स. So दोस्तों, after the key sponsors, we have some of our support sponsors as well, like 3 Cans, Strikers, Little Gym, IVF Access, Dog and Chef and Nidhi's Kitchen. दोस्तों, हम उस ट्रेडिशन से आते हैं जहाँ पे किसी भी चीज की शुरुआत एक दीपक के जलने से होती है. So next we are going to have our diya ceremony. In the soft glow of flickering diyas, hearts unite in celebration, spreading warmth and light in the embrace of tradition. Each diya illuminates not just the darkness of the night, but also the bonds of love and togetherness. After that, we are going to have Pushpanjali, which will also be accompanied with Bharatnatyam dance. In the vibrant atmosphere of SNN, the Pushpanjali ceremony adorns the spirit of unity, as participants offer flowers in reference to sportsmanship and camaraderie. Petals of determination and teamwork blossom, symbolizing the collective dedication to excellence and fair play. After that, we are going to have the placeholder 1 for sponsors to talk. उसके बाद दोस्तों, जैसा कि हम कहते हैं कि योगा से ही होगा. In the serene setting of the SNN Sports Olympics, yoga becomes a celebration of harmony and strength, uniting athletes in mind, body and spirit. Amidst the competition, yoga brings a moment of peace, fostering resilience and balance in pursuit of athletic excellence. और जब बात हो किसी भी स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट की, तो उसमें नाचना और गाना तो बनता है. So after that, we are going to have Bollywood dance. In the vibrant rhythm of Bollywood dance at SNN Olympics 2.0, athletes and other participants celebrate diversity and joy, infusing the event with cultural flair and energy. The colorful performance ignites the spirit of togetherness, the universal language of movement and music in the global sports community. Also, after that, we are going to again have the placeholder 3 for sponsors to talk. After that, we are going to have gymnastics. In the grace of athleticism of gymnastics at SNN Olympics 2.0, competitors defy gravity and push boundaries of human potential, captivating audiences with their extraordinary feats. Then we are going to have again placeholder 4 for sponsors to talk. And at the end, we'd love to have a surprise for you. So guys, let's join us in the spirit of unity and competition as we invite you to participate wholeheartedly in the exhilarating SNN Olympics 2.0, where athletes from all across India and beyond who reside in SNN will showcase their talent, determination, and passion. Come be a part of this excitement at SNN Olympics 2.0, where every participant contributes to the energy and success of this global celebration of sport. Your presence and participation will definitely make this event unforgettable. Namaskar.
Hello everyone, my name is Vrinda and we are bringing our little stars Agna, Aditi, Akshara, Jennifer and Arohi to showcase their Bharatanatyam skills at the grand opening of SRS Olympics 2024. We warmly invite you all to come and cheer these young talents, and we also request you to bring your loved ones and drag your neighbors also. And we are hoping that, we trust also that you have already registered for all the amazing events that we have planned for you guys. So see you there.
મારું નામ જીગીશા છે. હમણાં હવે ઓલિમ્પિક 2024 થવાનું છે અને યોગા ઇવેન્ટ થશે. એમાં ઓપનિંગ સેરેમનીમાં રેસિડેન્ટ્સ છે એસએનએના જે યોગા ઇવેન્ટ્સ કરે છે. પ્લીઝ 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 આવો અને ઇવેન્ટમાં પાર્ટ લો. થેન્ક યુ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಅಜಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಸ್ಎನ್ಎಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಯೋಗ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಟೀಮ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.